how to strawberry milkshake. It's like a very advanced beginner trick. Kind of a very awkward foot position, right? It's what we call the whip. Right, up, left, down. Go ahead, give it a strawberry milk. My name's Kyro. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area, and today I'm gonna teach you how to strawberry milkshake. All right, so I asked on my Instagram, I said, what trick would you guys like to learn the most? And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this trick had the most upvotes. It was how to strawberry milkshake. And I thought, you know, that's a great idea. I don't think we've made one for 2 years, maybe even more than 2 years. But the strawberry milkshake, I want to call it a beginner trick because it's something that you can do before you learn how to ollie, but it is kind of a difficult beginner trick. It's like a very advanced beginner trick. So first of all, I guess I'm going to tell you what it is. So your board goes like that, and then it basically wraps around your back foot, does a 360 wrap around, and then you step your front foot back on. So you do step off with your front foot like that, and then it goes like this, wraps around like that, and then boom. And ideally, you can jump and get both feet on at the same time. I know what you're thinking. Wow, Aaron, that seems really quite hard. And sometimes it is. It might be a little hard, but you don't have to know how to ollie, you don't have to know how to kickflip. There's not a lot of earlier tricks that you need to know. I guess that's why we classify it as a beginner, an advanced beginner trick. If that makes any sense at all. That might be just total, doesn't make any sense, oxymoron or whatever that's called. We're gonna start this out with the proper foot position. Now this is super, super, super important. Your back foot has to be like this, and it has to be right near those bolts right there. Boom, 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 boom. Because when you flip your board over, it's very important to have your foot right by the trucks. Otherwise, it's not going to go the way you want it to. So you have to have it right there. Your front foot has to be you need to be able to get it off the board very easily. So what I do is I kind of have it like that. So the foot position is kind of like that. Kind of a very awkward foot position, right? The way to do it is like that. You see how that makes it an easy flip? So this foot goes straight to the ground, and then this foot literally just does this, which is the first way that you're able to practice this trick. Remember, it's important to keep your foot near those back bolts. I'll show it to you like this. You can literally just do that a bunch of times until you feel comfortable. Then you can put your front foot on and see if you can step off. Step back on. Anything counts game of skate? That might get somebody. Woo! Okay, now the next step after that, you guessed it, it's what we call the whip. You know, if you want to make a real strawberry milkshake, I think it's milk, ice cream, probably strawberry ice cream, or I guess you could use vanilla ice cream, and then either real strawberries or some kind of, probably real strawberries, right? And then you blend it all up. This next step is basically the blend it all up. Your back foot, because you have the board there, it goes like in a motion kind of like this. This is the step that I didn't quite explain so well on the earlier tutorials that I'm trying to improve upon today with the 2020 version of the strawberry milkshake tutorial. So like, I should probably learn how to make an actual real strawberry milkshake. It's so hard to explain what your foot does, but I think it's like this, and it goes like that, up, and then down. So like right, up, left, down. Right, up, left, down. It's like 100 lives on the Contra, the video game code. So putting these steps together, stand in there, drop it down. You have it there. Step your front foot on. The thing that I like about this trick that I feel like a lot of people can learn it is you can take it very slow. You can literally stand there and go like step off and then drop your board on its side, whip it around, step on, and just do that a ton of times. Super safe, super easy, super beginner. Step off, whip the board, step back on. Step off, whip the board, step back on. Now, once you get it there, what do you need to do? Just do it with a little bit of speed. This is where it starts to go crazy haywire. If you're gonna have problems with this trick, it's gonna be on this part. Because it might not rotate all the way, it might not flip around all the way. The key is to try and keep your back foot on there, because your back foot is the control point. Keep your back foot sweeping it around the whole time, right next to the board, so that you can keep it right underneath your feet. Hey, you came to give me some support? Finally, I have a member of my family here to give me some support. Thanks, buddy. You want to ride the skateboard? Go ahead, give it a strawberry milk. He's like, no, Dad, I don't like strawberries, Dad. All right, Strawberry Milkshake grip tape. I have it perfectly set up. You're rolling. Give it a whip. First try! If you get as good at this trick as Luke, you can do it down the 5-stair. He literally did that. We just need to get a couple really good examples. I think what's easier for me too, as I'm going through this, is that you lean back, and then when you're flipping the board around, it puts the board more in front of you, like a tray flip kinda. There we go. That would be cool, is Strawberry Milkshake front revert. Today I learned, coming soon. This girl is on fire. So you can see on that one, my upper body weight was too far forward, so I missed the board. Upper body still a little bit far forward because I landed kind of like that, and it'd be more ideal to land further back. Let's try and get a better one. It's the 3 bears. Too far forward, too far back. Let's get it right in the middle. Not that bad. I'm surprised Johnny Geiger or somebody who's like really talented at skateboarding hasn't like taken this to like 720 or fakie. Fakie would be rad. Was that better, Blue? Get away from me, Dad. Who makes good strawberry milkshakes? Denny's? One more on flat, then I'm going to the banks. Wow, almost landed Primal Rage. After you learn it on flat, learn it on a bank. Might even be a little easier on a bank. Try it on this one. Steeper. Woo! Extra revert in there? 3 tries, why not? Give it a wang danga. Ow. Another tip I gotta give people is make sure your front foot steps far enough away from the board. That's what I keep doing, is I drop it down and then I hit the board and it hits into my other leg. My back foot kicks the board into my front foot. So step far enough away. This is like a persistence mid tutorial. Full college commitment, let's go. Commit, you've been married for 10 years, you can commit to this trick. Oh, threw the wife into the mix, had to take it down right there. All right, last one, over the hip. Let's go. Because the hip is not a full 360, you gotta like slow down the rotation. All right, I got you, Blue. You're my boy, Blue. You're my boy. Oh, that would have been so good. The line, one more. Oh, first try. As you guys can see, it's a super, super fun trick. I hope you learn it. I hope you're having a blast learning how to skateboard. There are tons of people getting their first skateboard for their first time and learning how to skate right now, which I think is completely amazing. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. If you've never seen our tutorial series, Skateboarding Made Simple, definitely check it out. We have fully set up complete skateboards. Check it all out at brailleskateboarding.com. And you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And here's one more for you. See if I can land it, no pressure. Oh boy, with the steez.